Hello, this is Roger Camblin, BETE Technical Sales Manager. I'm here today to discuss BETE's Twin Fluid XA Nozzles. Air Atomizing nozzles are also known as twin fluid nozzles, combine liquid and compressed gas such as air, nitrogen, or steam to produce very fine droplets, ideal for coating, humidifying, gas cooling, lubricating, misting, and even fogging. The BETE Twin Fluid XA Nozzle System uses energy and compressed air to produce highly atomized sprays at low flow rates. The interchangeable components can be assembled to achieve a variety of spray objectives. XA nozzles produce 8 distinct different types of atomized sprays depending on which interchangeable air and fluid caps are selected. The setup determines the spray pattern, and they'll flow with a specific combination of one air cap and one fluid cap. The basic XA twin fluid spray nozzle assembly consists of a body, a spray setup, which is the fluid cap and air cap combination, and hardware assembly that can provide either automatic or manual shutoff and cleanout capabilities depending on the body style selected, thus including options for precise intermittent spraying applications. The BETE XA twin fluid nozzle provides configurations for a variety of setups, including options for either internal or external mixing. Internal mixing combines liquid and air streams inside the nozzle to exit through the same orifice, which works well for less viscous fluids under 200 centipoise. Since the streams are not independent, changes in airflow will affect the liquid flow. Now, for the second option, external mixing setups, the air and liquid streams exit through separate orifices, combining the streams where they intersect outside of the nozzle. This design allows for the precise fluid metering because the air and liquid rates can be controlled independently and are suitable for all liquids, including viscous liquids over 200 centipoise. There are also BETE XA twin fluid siphon options that are available for both internal and external mix setups. Siphon setups use the flow of compressed air within the nozzle to siphon liquid from the container without a pump. This is ideal for solution for precise dosing applications like spraying additives. Finally, you can contact BETE Applications Engineering Department for assistance in selecting an optimal XA air atomizing solution for your unique spray application. Thank you.